How can I turn these table leg attachment screws? I bought a used table and the screws holding it together are of a kind that I've never seen before. Unfortunately, some of them are loose and I need to tighten them. They are impossible to turn with any of my tools. The problem is that when sticking something horizontally in the notch, it can be turned only for a couple of degrees until one touches the wood, and then the screw has not yet turned enough such that the other notch, the other half of the cross, would be accessible. Sticking any sensible screwdriver vertically in the screw is not possible either because there is very little room. The holes around the screws are so small that a finger barely fits inside. They are way too small for turning the screws with a coin. Also, an Allen wrench or a similar tool is no option because the ones that would be thick enough to turn the screws are too long even on their short sides to fit in the holes. It's just a small couch table. As observed in the comments, the table seems to be from IKEA's former Eckersby series. Is there a special kind of bent screwdriver, furniture tool, or any other tool that I could order online to tighten those screws? Question from user BK at Stack Exchange. Answer: I'm suspecting that a custom tool is needed to actuate these. Most likely the furniture maker wanted a clean look on the outside, with no visible fasteners. This dog looks like it needs a tiny spanner like this to turn. The ends are offset by 45 degrees here. And if you can't get 45 degrees of swing, then additional spanner S with 22.5 degrees of offset would fill the gap. It is possible there a machine tool with a power drive to do this in a factory setting where time is important. But that's a commitment to a system. Other solutions: add small L brackets under the table screwed straight into the timber. Chisel out a ramp to allow a large but normal flathead screwdriver to mate with the fittings to loosen, shim, and refit. Same ramp, but remove these weird ass fittings and then replace with a normal screw bolt. Drill a pocket screw beside this post but so it doesn't intersect, and fit another screw. Forgo the seamless outside and install screws from the outside. Could be quite ugly. For really brutal results, consider cutting through the timber completely at this hole. Then removal should be a breeze. Square off the remaining timber and secure with glue and a pocket screw. Downside: this will effectively shrink your table, so any glass won't fit and you'd need a new top. Or put the existing glass on top rather than recessed into frame. Answer from user Craigie at Stack Exchange.